In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for personal tasks. Whether you're looking to organize your daily chores or manage your ongoing projects, Asana provides a flexible platform to keep everything in check. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner and click on Log In. You'll want to choose Continue with Google for a quick and easy sign-in. Select your Google account, and this will bring you right to your Asana dashboard. Now, let's create a new project dedicated to your personal tasks. Look to the left panel and click the plus icon. This is your gateway to adding a new project. Once you've clicked there, select New Project. You're building the foundation for organizing your personal tasks, so let's make sure it's set up correctly. For this next step, click on Blank Project. By choosing a blank slate, you have the freedom to tailor the project to your specific needs without the constraints of a preset template. Now, it's time to give your project a name. Think of something that clearly represents the type of tasks you'll be managing. Type that name in and then click on Continue. You're essentially setting the stage for a customized task management experience. Next, you'll need to choose the views you want for your project. Asana offers different perspectives, like list view or board view, to suit how you prefer to visualize your tasks. Take a moment to consider what will work best for you and make your selection. Once you've made your choice, click on Create Project. This finalizes the setup and gets your personal project ready for action. Now that the project is created, it's time to start adding tasks. Look for the Add Task button. This is where you'll begin listing out your daily chores or tasks of the day. Click on it and type in the name of your first task. This is a crucial step as it essentially brings your project to life by detailing what needs to be done. Don't forget to set a due date for each task. Click on Due Date and select the date by which you plan to complete the task. Assigning a due date keeps you mindful of your schedule and helps prioritize your time effectively. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a personal organization system using Asana. This powerful tool will help you stay on top of your tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Remember to check in regularly and update your progress. With Asana, managing personal tasks has never been easier. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.